Hello, Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Yeah, Ruslan, Muzaffar, and Kamchan.
Kanchan.
And what about Musa? Musa will join us.
Musa. I write him, and I don't know yet.
Okay. Yeah.
Hi, Mr. Okta. How are you?
You look so happy, yeah? You always happy.
What?
Alhamdulillah. Looking good.
I'm always happy for no reason.
Yeah, he's just he's just quite busy and I spend a lot of time with my work.
Can
It's my
imagine.
it's my bad, I need to learn how to
Worry.
manage my time properly. Oh my goodness.
Don't worry. It's okay. Save you.
Yeah. Okay, Kamchan, can you open your camera, Ruslan?
Ruslan, open your camera, Ruslan. Ruslan.
Oh, you
Hi,
Gözlerinizi
hi.
göster. Show
used to
your
be
beautiful face.
There you go.
Tarif olursa akşam tavukçular. Garanti geleceğe
Adana'da o.
iyi dinle. Hani babamın da bir tane inek var. Ondan biz Arif'le sırampa yaptıydık.
who is that?
Tamam mı?
Yusuf.
İneğe baktırdım. İnek de boş çıkınca
Oh,
boş
Yusuf.
olmaz dedim.
He forgot to turn off his audio.
I think so.
Sıra gelmişler.
Ruslan
Yeah.
yeterdi. Oktar yazı gaz yandırabilirsin.
Aramız tavukçuyu.
What about is Kamchan? Kamchan, hey, show me. Show me.
Yusuf'tan
Numara sormuş.
Lan söndür bu başım harap oldu.
Takamadı da.
Turn it down,
Eyvah.
please.
Okay, any news? Any
Tamam,
news
tamam
from
hadi.
Musa? Should I start our class?
I don't know. I'm sorry.
Okay. Musa. Yesterday he came to the class. He's coming or not?
Yeah. Yesterday he coming.
Oh.
Today I wrote and he didn't reply me.
Oh. Okay. Okay, should I begin our class? Okay. Okay, I don't want to waste your time. Let's begin our class. Let's begin with Bismillah.
Yes.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Inshallah.
Okay. Yeah. Muzaffar is smiling.
Yes. my family members. I'm sorry. Oh my God! Don't do this.
Okay, today we talking about connector words. Okay, let me give you example the connector words.
Yes.
I have 15 words here. For example, even though, while, when, once, even if, provided, because, rather than, after, unless, since, whether, wherever,
There.
so
So
that,
that
and before.
before.
It should,
Yes.
okay, yeah.
Yeah. That's
Remind me
great.
if my class is over 30 minutes, please.
Yes, this and even
Okay,
though.
even though, okay, could you give me example even though, please?
Oh yeah, of course.
Mm.
Even though I am student, I
Mhm.
still want to work.
Mashallah, that's good too. That's correct. Okay,
Mhm.
Ruslan, let me give you example, yeah. Another example, yeah. I won't go to the party even though I was invited. Yeah.
Even
Yes.
though hatta olsa da yani hatta öyle bir şey.
Mhm. Yeah. You
Example
can
ver.
put even though in the middle, it's okay. You can put even though in the front, it doesn't matter.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mesela even though mamamla dövsə də falan şey elədim. Belə bir şey. Even though orada işte.
Oh, nice. You good translator, yeah?
Yeah, I'm translator between Azerbaijani and English, maybe Indonesia.
Yeah. You should become my assistant, yeah? Let
Of
me
course.
pay you. Let me pay you professionally.
Oh yes, yes.
Yeah. And the second example is while. Okay, it's very so easy, yeah? While.
Yes, of course.
Mm-hmm. What about you, Ruslan? Any idea? While? Can you give me example? A simple word, simple
While.
sentence, it doesn't matter.
While ərzindədir. Mesela falan şey ərzində while something deyəbilirsən. While falan şey.
Mhm.
No.
While mesela yemək
Oh my
yeyirsən.
God.
While yemək yeyirsən mesela while I'm eating something maybe.
Yeah.
Yemek, ben yemek ərzində nə elədim tabii?
Nəsə deyirəm. Telefona baxdım.
Danışdım. Ha. Telefona baktım.
While I am eating.
While I am eating, I saw belə mi?
Is I watched my phone diyebilirsin. I mean, for
I
example.
watched my phone.
Mhm. Okay. It's okay. Okay, let me to be clear. Let me give you another example. Look at the screen and use,
Okay.
inshallah, you know, after so this example, inshallah, your brain is working, and then trust me, your brain is really so smart. Yeah, Allah has given you at the best
Yes. Of
brain.
course.
Yeah.
Yes. We are so bright, sharp
Yeah.
kids.
Yeah. So, while I was learning English, you were going to gym. Yeah. Well, this is the case is Ruslan. While Ruslan was learning English, yeah, Muzaffar were going to the gym.
Yes.
Yes.
that was definitely me every time.
Yeah. And let the third one when. Yeah. Okay, hold
When?
on. Okay. Hold on. From Syrian should join us. Okay. Hold on. Let me
Okay.
pick up the call. Hanan, could you join us right now? Could you join us right now, please?
Oh my God. Ruslan buradan neler olur?
After 10 minutes, okay. But more than that, I'm afraid the time is over. Yeah, you know. Mhm. I'm afraid you. It's okay. Let's see. Yeah, another. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, but it's okay. We're waiting for you 10 minutes. Yeah, let's join us. Yeah, and you got the review. Okay, okay. Uh, yeah, I've and
Hello.
yeah, yeah, yeah. The same location too. That's right. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Hanan. Thank you very much. Yeah. Goodbye. Okay. Okay. Next, when? When is
When.
Yes,
yeah.
it's easy. I say one more sentences, for example.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Let Ruslan make a sentences,
Yes,
please.
yes,
When?
yes. Mesela when ne zamanki bir şey olmasa
Uh,
oh my god.
yeah. When I work, I am working. I
Mhm.
yok. Ya, ben ne yapacağım? Benim yorulurum ne diye.
Uh, uh, I'm getting tired.
I am getting
Mm.
tired.
Yes.
Yes,
Mm.
oldu. İnşallah.
Okay, that's good. Okay, let me give you another example. Yeah, I had studied English when I was student. Yeah.
Yes. When I was a child, I burned my leg.
Yeah, that's good. You can screenshot this capture and then you read again, Ruslan, and then you can copy and then you modify it and you try to make a sentence, your own sentence. It's very so easy, trust me. It's a very difficult because this is the beginning for you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Rahat.
next.
That's why he's accident.
Okay, next. So that.
So
So
that.
that actually this
Mhm.
is a bit hard for me because
Really?
I have never seen that expressions in my writings and
Mhm.
my
Oh,
so that maybe so give me an
it's
example, please.
It's very common, it's very common. Even intermediate level, advanced. Oh,
This
it's
is
okay.
I've never seen this. So that
Okay. Okay, let me to be clear and let me give you example. One example, right?
okay.
Look, yeah, you are very late,
Sen
so that we cannot start the lesson. Yeah,
That's
nerede
why.
bakıyorsun?
That's
yeah,
why we cannot.
yeah.
This is it.
It's the same things.
Yeah.
Yeah, similar.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
Nerede,
this the
nerede
alternative
başlıyorsun?
word of it. İki,
Nerede mi oldu?
gecikmişsən, ona görə də biz dərsə başlaya bilmərik. That's why
Ona görə
alternative
də.
ders yapıyoruz. Okay? So that.
Ona görə. Mhm.
Yeah. And the next one, once.
Once I was in a Yellowstone park and then I slipped into the water, hot water
Oh,
maybe.
okay, excellent. Okay.
Hmm?
Let me give you another example. Once I learn English, I'm unstoppable. Yeah.
Yes, unstoppable. We are your students.
That
So,
means
Once
you
ne
love
oldu?
so much English language.
yes.
Once ne oldu?
Once bir dəfə. Yəni bir dəfə ingilisini öyrəndinsə, o detay qarşı alınmaz olsun. Detay qabağa çıxanı şey deyirsən.
Bir dəfə değil mi? Mhm.
Okay.
Hə. Yes.
That's
Once.
now your turn, Ruslan. It's very so easy. After.
Sən növbən. Get.
Mhm. I read a book after I
Mhm.
yattım.
You're going good. You're doing good.
Yes, bir dakika.
After
Sonra
after
I just
that.
sleep.
Oh,
Ders.
okay. That's good. That's good. Yeah.
Yeah. Good, bro.
Yeah. Let me give you another example. Yeah. He joined the class after we finish.
Yeah.
It's too late.
Yes, it's too late. Like us.
Yeah. Okay. May I continue to the next
Yes,
slide,
please.
please? Okay. Thank you. Unless.
Oh.
Oh, very so easy.
Yes, yes.
Unless.
We are not going anywhere unless you are ready. Unless
Yeah.
you are ready.
All right.
Yeah.
Excellent.
That's it,
Perfect.
bro. That's it.
Awesome.
I mean, yes.
Unless.
Yeah. Ruslan, you wanna try another example?
Well,
Unless.
let me just translate. Unless bizdən nə vaxtdır? Demək ki, biz şeydir, məsələn, sən hazır olmayana qədər biz heç yerə getmirik. Unless o şeydir, qədər sözüdür.
Qədər.
Hmm.
Hə, qədər. Prosta hə, ikinci tərəfi prosta negativ eləmirsən, pozitiv eləyirsən, positive, not negative. For example.
Biz gələnə qədər gözləyin, olarmı?
Okay. Wait for us unless
You wait for us. Biz gələnə
Unless-
qədər.
unless we came back.
Olar. We came back.
Wait for us unless we came back. Actually, I don't
No,
know.
qəribə demək oldu.
A little bit. Yox, biz qəribə çıxdı. Başqa bir şey qurmaq lazım.
Hmm. Okay. Say again, Ruslan. You try it.
O qədər başqa qədərdir, Ruslan. O başqa.
Simple, just simple, you know. As long as that makes sense, it's okay. Use easy word. The more you use the easy word, the more you easy to learn.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Belə bir şey var, belə. Oradan tapacağım diyorum.
Falan şey eləməyənə kim falan şey eləmə. Belə bir şey götür, strukturla. Ondan nəsə qoy.
Dəqiqə tapacağım indi. Dəqiqə. Tapıyorum.
Hətta Google-un
Unless,
yerləri billah gözləyir.
Google'a yok. PDF var bende.
Hmm.
Oradan unless işlerdi.
Mhm.
Unless. I will quit unless I am given a pay rise.
Ruslan,
Alright.
səni təzdən deyil. Başım xarabdır, müəllim sən gözləyir.
Şimdi
Təzdən deyil. Deyil o.
dayan.
Say again, Ruslan. Repeat again, please.
I will quit unless I am given a pay rise.
A pay rise?
Ya.
Do you?
Yok maaşım artırılmazsa ayrılacağım.
Mhm.
About salary. I'm going to quit unless they increase my salary. It's like that. I think.
Mm.
Mesela ona benzer.
Hətta nəysə elə bir şey siz dərsin vaxtından gedir. Okay, teacher, let's continue.
I don't get it. Please say again, Muzaffar.
Şeydir, bizdən əl çəkmədi Ruslan.
You will eat.
Ruslan, mən yaxdım Ruslan.
You'll eat.
I'm sorry, teacher. It's so complicated. Ruslan, say it again. Ruslan, say it again. Ruslan, məni ziblə saldı.
Yeah, okay, no problem. Okay,
I
okay, because today is the first time for you. It's a very so difficult, but it's okay. Let me try to make easy for you. Okay, let me give
Yeah.
you one example. All right, unless. Yeah, you don't need to go unless you want to. Yeah.
Oh, yes. That is
Does it
most
make
common
sense
in English. Daily. Yes, it's daily English.
Sen gitmemezsen biz nereye kadar?
Yox. Deyir ki, ehtiyacın olmayana qədər istəməyənə qədər getməyə ehtiyacın yoxdur. Yəni getməyə gərək yoxdur, sən istəməyənə qədər.
Yeah.
Ben zannediyorum bu.
Hətta deyək ki, getmək istəmirsən, gedmə otur yerində. Why it's funny?
Neyse de.
Okay, is that make sense for you?
No.
Science.
I mean, it's hard for Ruslan.
Yeah, no
Lan ne
problem.
kalın
Yeah.
kafalı adamsın be. Sonra
Yeah.
hocam.
Her
Yeah.
şey çok üstünden sen canım.
Yeah.
Yaxşı, sonra başlar.
Yeah.
Oldu. Beni
Okay.
kaldırmıyor abi.
Mhm.
O kimde orada eşler sürür.
Okey dedi. Okey dedi o görürsen.
Okay.
Yalandan dedi ama neyse okey.
Screenshot and save on your mobile phone and you review after this class. Yeah. Okay. Let me continue. Since. Yeah.
Yes.
It's very so easy. Since.
Yes.
Use the present
Yes.
perfect.
Since 1945, the war
Uh-huh.
has ended.
Okay. Okay. In this case, since means maybe there are two meaning. Yeah. Since.
Yes. You are right.
Yeah.
Ben
Since
cümle
you are here, I'm not going anywhere.
Uh-huh.
We can
Yeah,
say like
perfect.
that.
Yeah.
Since you are here, I'm not leaving.
Yeah.
I'm not going anywhere.
Yeah.
Ben de
Sin
bilmiyorum.
mean like a
I wanna be
because
with
since
you.
else. Yeah. Okay. Let me to be
Yeah.
clear. Let me give you example. Yeah. Here. Since I see you, I'm better.
Oh, I'm feeling love. That's great. Since I see
This
you, I'm.
sin here is because. Yeah. Because of you. Okay. Because I'm better.
Yes.
Yeah.
Gören yaxşıyam. Azerbaijan, it's the common phrase in Azerbaijan. For example, when you see the man that you haven't seen like a month or something,
Mhm.
we say like that.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. The next word weather. Yes. It's very so simple. Yeah.
Yani rahattı.
Weather? No,
Yeah, weather.
weather.
Not weather is like 30 Celsius. Weather is sunny, hot.
Yeah, like yes.
Yes.
Düz yazdığına emin değil mi? Gelmiyor yere.
Teacher, are you sure? Are you sure it's correct? I mean the word.
Okay, let me check once again. Okay, weather.
Karıştırıp
Yeah.
alem birbirine.
Hava durum geldi.
I mean, it's.
O da güzel.
Hadi. Believe alem birbirine. Səhvdir bu. I'm sorry, but I think it's wrong. I mean the
Yeah.
word.
Yeah, that's why it should be. How do you spell it, please? Could you help me? W.
With her. I mean. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
We T H E R.
Hold on. W-H-E.
Double. Oh my God. Double. I'm sorry.
Hello. Good evening.
Yeah. Hi, Hanan. Welcome.
Okay, welcome, sir.
Yeah, nice to meet you. And okay, please stay there. Yeah.
Yeah, it's better.
Okay. Maybe
Continue, please.
Yep. Again, please.
Yes.
Whether
Okay.
here.
W H E T H E R.
W-H-E-A-H-E-R.
Yaz gönder.
Okay.
Müəllimə mən öyrədim. Okay.
Okay. Like this, yeah. Yeah.
Yes. Well, no. H before T. Yes. This is like that.
Okay. That's good. Thank
Weather.
you.
Weather. My
Mhm.
pleasure.
Okay. Okay, I don't need to fix
Weather.
the
Weather.
example, yeah? And the example is already correct.
Yes, example is the normal. I mean, correct. I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't know whether she'll be admitted to the university or not.
yeah. Whether in this case it's like a if, yeah? If.
Yes. Yes, it's like that.
Mm. All right, that's good. Let me continue first, yeah?
Yes, yes.
Let me introduce a little bit. Hanan is from Syria, yeah?
Oh, really?
Yeah. Could you introduce a little bit, Hanan?
Yes,
Mm,
my name is Hanan. I am 16 years old and I am from Syria in Aleppo.
Oh,
Yes.
Surya.
nice to meet you. Surya, Alan, Surya.
Syria, yes, I am
Syria.
Kurdish in Syria.
Syria and
Great, bro.
Syria is the same country.
Yes, Syria
Yep.
is a country between Turkey and Jordan and Iraq.
In my,
Yes, Surya is good country. I know.
Yeah.
All right.
Which
Where are you from,
country?
Muzaffar? Mr. Muzaffar?
Okay.
Yes.
Muzaffar,
Yes,
where are you
yes,
from?
you are. I'm from Azerbaijan with Ruslan. I know.
Oh, very good. Welcome. Azerbaijan. Yeah. We are from the same ethnic.
Yeah, thanks, bro.
Bro.
Yeah.
Çok tarif hemek kendisi var.
I'm
Okay.
Mr. Ruslan. Where are you from?
Who's here, dude?
Çok tarif.
Mr. Ruslan. Mr. Ruslan.
Hi, Mr. Islam, Mr. I am here. Tamam bir dakika. Bir şey yazıyorum.
Ona yanında mı yapabilir? Cehlim burada.
Yeah, Ruslan, please introduce yourself, please, to Hanan.
Me?
Aha.
No,
I am
babam.
Ruslan.
Sen değil.
Ruslan.
Kim? Ben mi falan demedim abi.
Ya,
Neyse. I am
Yeah.
Ruslan and I am from Azerbaijan. Nice to meet you. Mr. the best. Best. En often.
Nice to meet you. Very
Yeah.
good.
Yeter.
All right.
Sağ ol.
Okay. I think it's enough for our introduction. Please back to our material, our lesson today. All right. I would like to invite you, Hanan. Could you give me example, the word using even if, please?
Even year?
Yeah,
even
even
if I mean this, yes, the sentence, this phrase.
Even year. Actually, I don't know the exact mean, but I am like, for example, even year. You mean true?
All
Hadi
right.
de abi.
Okay.
Yeah, even year. I don't know. Actually, like in the middle of the year. You mean or something like this?
Now, okay. Let me help you. Let me to be clear. Yeah. Let me give example. Inshallah, is make sense for you. Even if they were not of my family, I will help them. Yeah, okay. Even if here.
Even
Oh
if.
yeah, even if they were not my family. Yeah. I know. Even
Okay.
this is like if or yes.
Yeah.
Even if
You're
I am old, I can
Yes. I
everything.
got it. Yes, even if,
Yeah,
not even
exactly,
year or
Muzaffar.
even.
Yeah, exactly,
Yes,
Muzaffar. Okay.
Yes,
And
like
then,
even in all of the situation, I will. If they not my family, I will help them.
all right.
Oh,
Mashallah.
that's real nice.
All right.
Yes.
Awesome. That's good.
I get.
Next.
I got it.
Yeah. You got it, yeah? All right. It's advanced
Yeah, of
level.
course, it's
I
super
love
easy. But
advanced learners. Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
of course. I'm teenagers actually, but my level is good.
Yeah. I don't care your age. Yeah. I care about your English language. Yeah.
No. Yes, of course, is
Our
because our courses is depending on the age. Like I am teenagers, I cannot take adults courses.
Yeah.
huh?
All of you are brilliant student
Yeah.
here.
What is this? IELTS courses?
Yeah.
Me, I am
Yes,
Kurdish, you mean? Or I have take
Did you
courses.
say IELTS?
What? I'm sorry, I did not. I the internet is not good.
Did you say IELTS courses? You mean that?
Yes, like adults courses, because I am 16, so I cannot take adults courses. So that's why I'm not the advanced level, but my English is good in teenager. Is very good in teenagers.
Ah,
Yeah.
yes, I see. Your English is good. Of course, that's why you are
I'm
here.
trying to be out of the comfort zone, to be like adults or thank you.
All right.
Great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hassan just need flag hours. Yeah. As long as focus. Yeah. Okay. Back to the lesson today. Provided, please. Wants to be the next one. Provided. Provide here is not you provide as something. No.
Can I ask a question?
Sure.
Can we use even though phrase as well as like this, even if?
Karen?
Of course,
Course.
You want me to repeat?
Karen, say again, please.
Okay. Can we use even though phrase like replacement for even if as well?
It
Can we
doesn't
use?
matter. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Yeah. That is your choice.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Language is so dynamic.
That's why
Yeah. That's your option. That's good. Yeah. You can use even if, although
actually
yes.
we don't have a relation between even and tenses, because there is no difference between past simple or present perfect. We can use it with all of these tenses, even if
yeah,
or
you can use it both of
like
them.
because
Yeah.
yes, of course, there's no problem. Equal or comparative, superlative.
Yeah.
I know, but it's just I'm just asking.
Mhm. Okay, back to provided, please. Yeah. Okay. Let me give you an example. They can listen to music provided they disturb nobody. Yeah. Okay. Can you analyze? Yeah. Provided here means
Provided.
yeah.
What is the
Provided means
provided?
like a
Oh, I mean, yes, of course. They can listen to
conditional
the
sentence.
music.
Yeah.
Listen to the music provided they disturb nobody. Oh yeah.
Make sense?
Actually,
Yeah.
provided
really,
like Mr. like ask, like read as you long.
Yeah.
Provided is like
yeah, exactly.
as.
Yes, yes.
Oh yeah. Oh,
The
there.
sentence. Okay. You
Yes,
got
but
it.
what is the difference exactly? Like provided is like I know provided is better than asked, or what, or there's no problem or no different.
If you were taking IELTS, better you use provided. If the normal situation, if you're talking with your friends,
because it's easier and
yeah, it's easy. But if you want to take
it's faster
IELTS
actually.
test, you need to difficult words. Yeah, it's so boring if you have the same word with others. Yeah, you need to upgrade your vocabulary levels. Yeah, I'm here
Vocabulary,
to
yes.
increase your vocabulary. Yeah. Okay, next
Yeah,
one.
of course.
Because okay, because Ruslan, it's very so easy.
Yes, because
The best.
yeah,
because
he worked so hard, he deserved a holiday.
All right, no problem. Good. That's good. All right.
Cool.
We cannot,
Cool.
yeah, we cannot go holiday because we don't have enough money. It's common problem. Nobody,
Yes, come from
have enough
my
money.
country.
Oh, you are young generation, next generation, agent of change. Please
Yes.
don't stop hope. Yeah.
Even if,
Yes,
okay.
you are right. Generation Z are so weak.
Yeah.
You can get
Please,
enough. What can we do?
Muzaffar, rather than.
Yeah. Rather than.
Yeah.
Rather than. I mean, yeah, of course. Just let me just think about it.
Okay, no problem. Hanan, wanna try it? Rather than?
What to give an example about because
Yeah, example.
I'm
yes,
thinking.
very good. For example, I am a violentist because I love violin. Can I see this?
Yeah.
Yo,
Try it.
order rather than. It's rather
Please
than.
use this connecting the words, please.
Me? Like about me,
Yeah.
mister?
Yeah.
Babam, I prefer tea rather than milk or something because I like that. Or
Yeah. Yeah.
Rather?
Okay. Yeah. You're right, Muzaffar. Okay. Hanan, try it. Another example.
Or rather than, for rather than, not because. Okay.
I don't get. Repeat again, please. Say again.
Like if I'm gonna give example for rather than, not because.
Yeah. That's good.
Okay, I got it.
Okay.
Rather than is comparative, like we are combining
Yeah.
between two things. Like
Yeah.
I like.
Yeah. Comparison sentence. Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
Like
very
this.
good. It's
The company is stronger if it's bound by love rather than blah blah blah fear. Yeah. You see?
more. Can we say more than? Actually, we can say okay.
Uh, yeah, but if you say more than is you look like a beginner. Don't use it because you are advanced level. Yeah. Better use rather
Okay,
than.
yeah, we'd
Yeah.
better to use like both of them to with each other, like more and rather to make
Yeah.
full sentences and conversation. Okay.
Yeah. That's good. I think before it's very so easy. Yeah. Before I have breakfast, I always have a shower. No need. Wherever it's very so easy for you. Oh,
yes,
yeah.
of course, it's so easy. Whatever they want, whatever you want.
Can I study wherever?
Yeah.
Actually,
Okay. Or yeah, I
It's
can
very
go
so
wherever
simple.
I want. Can I
Yeah.
say this?
Yeah. Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can do whatever that I want.
Yeah. You can do wherever what you want. Okay,
Whatever
my
that.
brothers,
Yes.
congratulations. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Now you Alhamdulillah. Yeah.
Yes. Alhamdulillah, teacher. Now can we
Yeah.
go?
Yeah. Inshallah. See you tomorrow at the same time. Yeah. Thank you,
Yeah, of
Ruslan.
course.
Thank you, Hassan.
I love you, teacher. I want to be
Yeah.
here always.
Oh,
Yes.
Yeah.
thank you very much. I really so appreciate. Inshallah, we continue tomorrow. Okay, at the same time.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
Okay, thank
Okay,
you very
Mr.
much. Yeah. Assalamualaikum.
Goodbye, Mr. Mister.
Alaikum
About me, I'm gonna meet you again in 1 p.m. True?
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
like
After this, after this